See how much wind noise I get with the DJI Mic Mini. I mounted it in a different position, and trying this with my GoPro Hero 13s. Have the windshield down all the way. See how windy it sounds with it down all the way. Have the gain set at -12, and using the mini mic DJI receiver connected to the GoPro Media Mod. Gonna head straight ahead here, head on down to the lake. Looks like another storm's rolling in right now, so I don't have much time to test all this stuff out. Now I raise the windshield just a little bit. Here in Firestone during the month of May, we had quite a bit of rain, and it looks like June 1st, that's today, Sunday, is off to another good start for rain. It's 2025. So here in Colorado, we've had quite a lot of snow in the mountains, but down here close to Longmont, Colorado, Firestone area, we didn't have that much snow this year. Looks like I'm getting a little low on gas, so I better find a place to fill up. "85 degrees. It's almost time for me to start wearing my summer mesh coat. All right, we're getting in African twin territory here with the potholes and gravel and sand. Be interesting to how smooth this GoPro Hero 13 stabilizes this really rough road. Well, it looks like there's some people out there enjoying themselves on this Sunday out on the lake. Probably won't show up in my GoPro, it's too far off. The lake looks pretty low so far. Maybe we'll get enough rain in June that'll raise it up to normal water level. Steer clear of all these potholes. Well, looks like I won't be trying to get into the park today. That's really backed up. All right, heading back to home. The storm's starting to build up pretty good. Hopefully I can make it back and film the bike with my drone. Get a chance, I'd like to get past this guy with his emergency flashers on. Gas $2.68 a gallon, Circle K. I'm going to see if 7-Eleven is the same. Yeah, $2.68 a gallon at 7-Eleven. That's where I'll fill up. Well, they should put a sign out on this gas pump. It says an error code, so I'll have to park on the other side. Just my luck, that pump is out of order. Service. Yeah. You pulled up to the right one.
I got lucky.
Well, looks like this one's in order. One thing I like to do with my gas cap is not throw it on the ground, but set it right here. Don't like setting it on top. I could take off by being absent-minded, and the next thing 200 miles down the road find out I need gas and don't have the cap. No, I don't want to join today. And use 85 here at 5,000 feet altitude, and runs great. Two gallons. You want to see? No. Let's see if this Android Auto connects. It's usually an issue with the Cardo Pactalk Edge not connecting to the bike, and the Android Auto doesn't connect because you have to have a headset on for Android Auto to work. Well, it connected. Okay, I've been proven wrong. That's great. I might as well pull into the park for a minute. Testing 1, 2, 3. View of the lake from here. Let's raise the height. Down here at the park. Let's view the other side. Let's get a little bit higher up there. Let's come down here. Move forward. Come down a little more in altitude. Let's bring it on back. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the GoPro down here to show what it looks like coming in. Well, that's all for now, folks. I hope you had a great weekend and your week is a good one too.